right, it is time for day 3 of our reading, our story. Our story is called A Place to Play. Look at this picture. Find something that rhymes with the word bed. Find something that rhymes with the word bed. I see the color red. I see someone's head. Good. All right, change the short E, in bed, to E. Bead. Can you find anything else with a long E? Sunny. What else? Maybe speed. They're going fast. Maybe they're planting a seed. He wants to go to sleep. All right, the word tadpoles has 2 syllables. The first syllable is tad. It has a short A, ah. The second syllable is poles. It has a long O. When we stick them together, we say tadpoles. Just like in picnic, picnic. Insect, insect. All right, look at that first word and give me a thumbs up. What is it? Hide. Good. Look at that second word. What is it? Home. What do we know about the vowel sounds in these 2 words? Good, they're long. They have this sneaky E that makes the vowel say its name. We're going to talk about some other ways to spell long vowels. Look at this word, no. The sound you hear at the end of no is O. The long O sound can be spelled with the letter O. It's just like our word last week with our E. When the E is at the end and he's the only vowel, he's going to say his name. This is called a consonant vowel syllable pattern. Let's look at this one. We. That E is at the end and he's the only vowel, so he's going to say his name. W-E, we. Hi. The sound you hear at the end of hi is I. The sound I can be spelled with the letter I. It's the only vowel and it's at the end, so it's going to say I. All right, go. The O in this word says its name. When a word or syllable ends with one vowel, the vowel sound is usually long. We blend this word this way. G-O, go. When a word or syllable ends with one vowel, the vowel sound is usually long. Good. Let's look at these words. Ready? Tap them with me. I, hi. G-O, go. M-E, me. S-O, so. B-E, be. Listen to number 1. Kim said hi to me. Number 2. Dan will not be glad to go. And number 3. That game is so much fun. All right, let's look at these words together. Ready? Remember, our vowel sounds are going to say their name because they are the only vowel and they're at the end. Ready? M-E, me. I, hi. N-O, no. B-E, be. Sh-E, she. All right, this one has twin letters, so I'm going to chop them in half. Ready? Hel, o, lo, hello. The O is at the end of the word, so he's a one syllable with the L and the O. All right, our sight words, ready? Remember, the heart is the part that says something different than normal. My turn and then your turn. Ready? Things. Always. Become. Remember, our O is going to sound like a U and say and our E is quiet. Stays. Day. Our AY is going to say A in both of those words. Nothing. Everything. All right, this week we're going to read Mr. George Baker by Amy Hest. In this story, the author uses some amazing words. So as you listen to the story, I want you to listen for the word shuffle and teacher. All right, Miss Willie will put the video in the box for you so that you can, or underneath my video. So go back and watch it, but listen for what these words mean. Shuffle means to walk slowly and drag your feet. So maybe this old man, he's shuffling, he's walking real slow and dragging his feet. And teeter means to walk in a wobbly way as if you are about to fall. So this baby is learning how to walk. She's teetering and looks like she's about to fall over. All right? Go ahead and get out your green folder and your Tap It, Map It, Zap It board and your marker. If you need to, pause the video so you are ready. All right, so today we talked about words that have only two letters. Like in our word high, we have I. Our vowels, when we have this CV syllable pattern, are long. Okay? So our vowel sound says its name. What if I changed? Now we have our long vowel still, and I say go. G-O. That vowel sound is still long. All right? What about, oops. Yeah, we can do that one. That E is going to say its name, so it's E, he. What if I changed he to me? E, me. What if I changed me to she? Sh, e, she. All right. Let's look at, oh, here's a good one. Ready? Oh, so. This is not like you sew with a needle. This is like, it is raining, so we cannot go outside. Let's change so to no. This is like you're telling someone no, not like how much do you know. All right, so we know if there's only one vowel, like in me, that one vowel is going to be long and say its name. Okay? Let's look at our story for today. So flip your page to your story. It's called Vi, Mo, and Me. We know that these words all have our long vowels because they're the last letter in the CV pattern. So listen as I read. You read these words after me, okay? Ready? No, go, be, mo, he, vi, hi, she, we, sky, my, by, silly, sunny, happy, grass, pass, said, the, want, to, a, I, now, saw, down, was. All right? Listen as I read. Do you have your finger following along? Good. Ready? No, I will not go, I said. It will not be fun. It will be silly. Mo will come, Mom said. Mo likes a picnic in the grass. He will ask Vi. Will Vi and Mo go now? I asked. I want to see them. I saw Vi and Mo and the sunny sky. I yelled at them. They yelled, hi! I asked my mom, can I race with Vi and Mo? She said, yes, but be safe. Mo, Vi, and I ran a lot. Mom did not pass us by, By the time the sun went down, it was time to go. We felt happy. Who are our characters in that story? Vi, Mo, Mom, and then the friend that's telling the story, right? Good. All right. I made a mistake in my last video. Yikes. I told you to go ahead and finish this page. Well, Miss Wooley never explained this page. So let's talk about it now. This is the vowel sounds of the letter Y that we've been talking about. We know sometimes it says E, sometimes it says I, and sometimes it says Y. So let's look at our pictures, and we're going to match. There's only 3 for each sound. Okay, so let's look. Fly. What sound do you hear at the end of fly? Good, our letter I. What about yo-yo? Yo-yo. Good, the letter Y. What about sky? Sky. Good, sky is going to go with I. What about jelly? What sound do you hear at the end of jelly? Good, the letter E. What about yarn? Yarn. Good, the letter Y. All right, what about yogurt? Yogurt. Good, the letter Y. What about fry? A fry. Good, the letter I. What about a bunny? Bunny. Good, the letter E. And the last one, candy. Candy. Good, that also has the E. So your job is to cut these out, glue them in the right spot, and then color them. And then make sure that you've done your sight word page, this page, and your color by spelling word page. Okay? All of those, and then you'll be all done. Make sure you can practice your sight words for Unit 3 and review your sight words from our last few stories. Okay? And remember, Miss Wooley will put the video for Mr. George Baker in the folder, so go watch it after this. Okay? Bye!